Hi everyone, this is just to catch up on the postcard and the bird. I'm going to add a little bit more detail, and I thought I might also add a little bit of a wash, and I'm going to write across in black pen what bird it is and a little bit about the bird, because it's a bit lacking on writing. So I'm just going to put some, I think, a little bit of blue around it. Very wishy-washy blue, I think. Oops. There we go. So I've added some wash on the back there. I'm going to have to let that dry. Let's move that around, and then I'm going to do some scribbly writing on, just to say which type of bird it is, and it is the siskin, which is one of the finches. There's a whole range of finches, but I'm going to write across, and I think that will finish it off nicely, and that will be the prompt for this week. Now I've got lots of pre-done bits of artwork that I've done. Let's see if I can find something that'll complement it. That's not too bad. It's all a little bit bright. All sorts of old drawings there. Oh, that looks a bit better, I think. And some old sketches of mine and mandalas and things there. Right, let's have a look which one of these will now go on to that one. It makes it very red. I'm not sure about that one. Or we can cover that up there and go on that one. Yeah, I think that page will go very nicely. Right, this page here, this is actually brush-o. Just an old bit of work I did. A bit of a scrap bit, but that will fix on there. So that's what I should do. She'll write across and add that on, and that is my page. I will think of a quote and I'll add that on, but I'll leave that free. You can add whatever quote you want onto this journal page. Okay, thank you for watching. Have fun.